Okay, this is a puppy girl. So when you take a look at him, see the body. The body, he likes to follow us when he wants to. So when you run, he actually runs like that. You saw that. So when you move, he also moves and he wants to follow me. You see him out now, he's following me in the way. I have got my camera. I've got my camera on tape. So we see the puppy from 20 times a day. So when you sit down, he also wants to come whenever you want. So when you can touch him, he's friendly. In the last video I told you can touch him.